Hello everyone, I am Kishore Pawar, your physics teacher from Podar International School, ICSE, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Dear student, we heard real image, virtual image. We also discussed differences in between the real image and virtual image. But have you ever seen the real image and also about the virtual image? Okay, we heard a real image can be formed on a screen, whereas we cannot obtain virtual image on a screen. But have you ever really seen the image which formed on a screen? Maybe or may not be. So dear student, this is the class, this is the session, this is the video in which I am going to show you real image we can obtain on a screen. So see here, I have a lens. This is convex lens. How? It's very easy to identify convex lens also. Let's say the lens which I have right now, this is thick at middle and thin at edges. So the lens which is thick at middle and thin at edges is convex lens. I have one more. You can see this lens, the lens which is thin at middle and thick at edges. Can you guess? This lens? Very good. This is concave lens. The lens which is thin at middle, thick at edges is concave lens. So students, let's see the image formation by convex lens first. Just guess, let me know what kind of images formed by convex lens. Is it forming real or virtual or both? Very good. Convex lens forms both the types of images, that is real image as well as virtual image. Let's see how to identify the real image. As already we discussed, we know that, we heard that real image can be obtained on a screen. So let's say I'm going to form a real image on a screen. To form the image on a screen, I have here a screen. This is nothing but the white paper which I am going to place here. So you can see this is visible to you also. I have an object. The object is burning candle which is lighted now, and I am going to place this object over here. We will form image of this flame on a screen. Let's say you cannot see now. The object is placed here. This is the screen. We cannot see right now the image. So we required mirror or lenses. So we have a lens, convex lens. This lens I am going to fix into this lens holder like this. This is fixed now, and simply just put it at middle in between the two objects. Now you can see here the image is on a screen. Getting? I think so it's visible to you, and also this image is distinctly and clearly visible. This image is distinctly and clearly visible to you. This is the image. Okay, so now our convex lens is forming distinct and clear image on a screen. So you just try to understand, you just try to define, you just try to find out the nature of this image which is formed on a screen. Can you try? What is the nature of this image? Yes, image is real. Why this is real image? Because it is forming on a screen. This image is now inverted. You can see the flame which is upright in position, but the image which we are obtaining on a screen, this image is inverted, that is top side down. See the flame, you can see here it is inverted image is formed. It is inverted image is formed on a screen. So we know real image is always inverted. Got it? So we have an image on a screen. This image which we have obtained on a screen is real, inverted. Got it? And maybe right now the image size, you can see it is exactly equal to the object size. It is not always equal, but right now I have kept the position of the object in front of lens, screen in front of lens, in such a way that both are the equal in distances. So that's why I am getting the image size is equal to the object size. So I hope you have cleared now the real image concept. What is real image now? The image which we can obtain on a screen is real. The image which is inverted is real. So this is the real image. Now let's discuss something related to the virtual image. Virtual image is generally, usually we can see here, the concave lens, it forms virtual image. Getting? And we heard the virtual image we cannot obtain on screen, and virtual image is diminished in size. So this is the lens which is concave right now in my hand. Concave lens forms virtual image which we cannot obtain on screen. So where this image can be seen? So this image is inside the lens only. We can see it inside the lens only. We cannot obtain on a screen, but we can see this image. As we saw, real image was forming on a screen. We clearly see the image. But here, virtual image we can see, but cannot be obtained on a screen. We cannot take it on a screen. It will be there inside the lens only. Let's see how it is. You can see now this lens which I have kept in front of me only. You can clearly see my face inside the lens. Is it visible inside the lens only? Yes. My face is the object, and image of my face, that object, is forming inside the lens, which is small in size as compared to the object. You can see the image of my face inside the lens, which is small in size, means it is called as the diminished. Clear? So this is virtual image. Virtual image we cannot obtain on a screen, but it can be seen inside the lenses only. So here this is the virtual image. You can see virtual image of my face which is inside the lens. So what are the nature? Can you identify the characteristics of the image here? Concave lens is forming image of my face. So what are the characteristics? The first characteristic is image is virtual. Why? Because we cannot take it on a screen. Image is erect. You can see the image is erect. Erect means as it is, upright in position. You cannot see my face inverted here. You cannot see my face is inverted. My face, you can see the image is also erect as it is. Then second point, image is diminished. So the image formed by concave lens is virtual, erect, diminished in size. So I hope you all are clear now the virtual image and real image. So it's very easy to identify the images, and I hope you might have cleared the concept of images and the differences of the images. So quickly recall what we saw. We discussed about the real images and virtual images. Real image is what? Now this is the screen and this is the lens. Can you identify this image? Yes, this is real inverted. How? You can see the image on a screen, image is inverted, that's why image is real. Okay, now lens, here the image is erect, CD, that is erect, and this image we cannot obtain on a screen, diminished in size, erect in position, we can say cannot obtain on a screen. This is virtual image. Thank you very much. I hope you have clear idea about the images. Thank you very much.